Are you recording?
Yes.
This is a pretty new house. That's the tour. What? Okay. The living room, all the fancy stuff in it done. Got all the pretty pink stuff in the vetrina. I think that's what they call it, Italian. It's pretty. It's white and pink and everything that you like. Then there's the dog. Say hi, Lilu. Say hi to mommy and papi. Say hi. You suck, you little bitch. Then there's the tree. It's a Christmas tree. So pretty and white and pink.
And blue!
Yeah, there's some blue in there. And the kitchen with the fancy white table and the white chairs and fancy new chandelier. He loves those so much. And the what's it called?
Lamp.
No, not the lamp, the thingy.
The buffet table.
Yeah, the buffet. Wasn't there a special word for it?
Yeah, we didn't get that when it was too...
The cunio? I don't know.
I forget what it's called.
Bajulo? What is that?